Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take off a Honda CR-V door panel. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few basic tools, primarily a trim removal tool and a screwdriver. Having a small container for screws and clips is also very helpful. Remember to protect your car's interior by placing a soft cloth on the sill where you might rest the panel. This preparation makes the process much smoother. Now, let's locate and remove the fasteners. Start by finding all the visible screws, typically one or two in the armrest and sometimes behind the door handle. Many panels also have hidden screws behind small plastic covers. Gently pry these off. Once screws are out, use your trim removal tool to carefully work your way around the panel's perimeter, releasing the clips holding it to the door frame. With all fasteners and clips released, it's time to detach the panel. Carefully pull the bottom and sides of the panel away from the door. Once it's loose, lift it upwards to clear the window channel. Now, you'll see several electrical connectors for the window switch and door lock. Disconnect these. Finally, unclip the door handle and lock cables from the panel itself, and your panel is free. When you're ready to reinstall, a few tips will help. First, check all your plastic clips. Replace any that are broken or bent to ensure a snug fit. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle and lock cables. Then, carefully align the top edge of the panel with the window channel. Once aligned, press firmly around the edges to re-engage all the clips, and finally, reinsert all your screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.